The present age of Salil's mother is 3 times Salil's present age. After 5 years, their ages will add up to 70 years. Find their present ages. So here, let the present age of Salil. So let Salil's present age be X years. Then his mother's present age will be Salil's mother's present age will be like 3x years, 3x, because they told very clearly the present age of Salil's mother is 3 times Salil's present age. Now here, after 5 years, after 5 years, see, then Salil's age will be X plus 5 years, and Salil's mother's age will be 3x plus 5 years, because present age is 3x, so 3x plus 5 years. So here now, given condition, that is after 5 years their ages will add up to 70. Find their present ages. So given condition is after 5 years their ages will add up to, so that is x plus 5 plus 3x plus 5 equals 70. So x plus 3x 4x plus 10 equals 70. 4x equals 70 minus 10, because plus 10 if you transpose minus 10. So the next step is, I'll write here, 4x equals 70 minus 10, 60. X equals 60 upon 4. 4 times 1, 4 times 5. So x is 15. So Salil's age is 15 and mother's age will be like 45. Now see here, Salil's age we consider as x, so 15 years old, and mother's age that is 3x plus 5. So we'll get 3 into 15. Sorry, present age is 3x. Just 3x. So 3 into 15. There is nothing but 45. So mother's age is 45 years and Salil's age is 15 years.